Nicole from Brown's Automotive, and today I'm going to give you some insider knowledge on what we like to call a retired service vehicle, or a UL. So we take a new car, we put it into our service loaner fleet, and then when it hits a certain amount of mileage, we take that car out and we put it into our used car inventory. These vehicles come out of our loaner service with a couple thousand miles on them, allowing us to sell you these like new vehicles for a used car price. Once they hit our used car inventory, for the first 60 days you're allowed to lease these ULs, and then after that 60-day period they have to be retailed like any other used car inventory. So for example, this Alfa Romeo came out of our loaner service, and if you're searching online or in our lots, you can see that they're noted with the UL, meaning used loaner. And if you have any questions, you can come in and see us. We're located on Route 112 in Patchogue and in Medford. Again, this is Nicole, and we look forward to see you.